Students, in this video, I will tell you how to attempt the first question of the English paper. The first question is a scene passage. Now, how to attempt that? Read the chapters thrice before your exams. Underline important lines and try to get the line meaning. When you read a paragraph from textbook, frame questions on your own and write it once. Once again, I am repeating. When you read a paragraph from textbook, frame questions on your own and write it once. That will make you easier to answer the questions in board exam. In the examination hall, first read the questions twice, then read the passage. Once again, I am reading. In the examination hall, first read the questions twice, then read the passage. The first question is based on global understanding. It means the general meaning of the passage. You can be asked, what is the writer trying to convey in the extract? The second question is based on complex factual. That means based on facts, but they are difficult to make out. The third question is based on inference, interpretation, or analysis. Inference means questions that involve reading between the lines. Students should use clues to guess or draw a logical conclusion. The answer of this question is not stated very clearly. The fourth question is personal response. Whenever you are attempting a question based on personal response, always try to be positive when you are writing the answer. The fifth question is based on language study, that is grammar. It carries 2 marks. Vocabulary carries 2 marks. Non-textual grammar carries 4 marks, out of which 3 marks is for transformation of sentences and 1 mark for spot the error. In question number 2, once again you have 2 marks grammar. So total 8 marks grammar only you have in the whole question paper. Thank you, students.